welcome back to this iris square tutorial video. In this video, you are going to learn how to show other images contained in the iris2 model structure. Remember that you can always have the information about a function or a procedure in Solar Soft using this command. Here, I'm showing you the information about show_iris2model. Again, you have the purpose of this, the information about the purpose of this function, how to call it, the inputs, the outputs, and the keywords that you can use with this function. And as you can see here, we have one keyword is called show chi-square, what allows you to show the chi-square map. So index shows you the map with the index corresponding to the inverted profiles. And so mu shows you the mu position of the representative profile used for the inversion. Therefore, we can show these images. So now I'm gonna load the data. I think I have the command here. Okay, I'm gonna load the data that I previously inverted. And I'm gonna show this data using this option, show chi-square. Okay, let's do it. Okay, here is the chi-square map. And again, when I'm moving on the image, again, it's showing the model atmosphere values even when this image corresponds to chi-square. I'm gonna now change between the chi-square map and the model atmosphere by pressing M. And again, here it is the model atmosphere. I can move through the atmosphere, and for a given position, I can change and can toggle between the model atmosphere and the mu. So I can verify in these values where the chi-square is very high. Now by pressing F, I can see how is the profile. As you can see here, the chi-square value in this pixel is 96 and is corresponding to the profile feed that you can see in the iris2 feed window. Of course, you can change the aspect of this image and enlarge as we did previously, just to have a more natural aspect. Again, I'm gonna change to the model atmosphere, but now I'm gonna change to another variable by pressing V. I turn around the variables in the model atmosphere. Okay, I think that now you might have a whole image about how to inspect the iris square, model atmosphere, and other variables. I hope that you have enjoyed these videos, and I hope that you use iris square properly and you have a lot of fun and make a lot of exciting science. Good luck, and don't forget to enjoy the sun. Bye.